Ready to launch your first service and start earning on Fiverr? In this video, I'll walk you through the complete process of creating your first Fiverr gig from start to finish. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Your gig is your storefront on Fiverr. It's where clients discover your services and decide to hire you. Creating a compelling gig is the most important step in building your Fiverr business. Let's build yours together. First, click your profile picture in the top right corner and select Become a Seller or Switch to Selling. Then click the Create a New Gig button to begin the setup process. You'll be guided through a multi-step process that includes choosing a category, writing your gig title, creating packages, and adding descriptions and media. Take your time with each section. This is your chance to make a great first impression. Start with the basics. Select the most relevant category and subcategory for your service. Be specific. This helps Fiverr show your gig to the right clients. Then craft a clear, keyword-rich gig title that immediately tells buyers what you offer. Next, you'll create your gig packages: basic, standard, and premium. Think carefully about what to include in each tier. Start with an affordable basic package to attract new clients, then offer more comprehensive options at higher price points. A crucial pro tip: use all the media options available. Add a professional video introduction, high-quality images, and if relevant, a PDF portfolio. Gig with complete media gets significantly more clicks and conversions than those with just text. And just like that, you've created your first Fiverr gig. You're now officially open for business on one of the world's largest freelance platforms. If this step-by-step guide helped you launch your first service, please give it a like. What type of service did you create for your first gig? Share your new gig in the comments below. To optimize your gig even further, subscribe for our next video on how to write the perfect Fiverr gig title. Thanks for watching.